Hi, my name is Melissa Davis, Kootenay Truck Girl with Alpine Toyota. Today I want to introduce you to 5 things I didn't know about the 2020 Rav4. So one thing that I didn't realize was that our approach angle is 19 degrees, guys. Your departure, 21 degrees. 8.4 inches of clearance all around. And not only that, but at Alpine Toyota, we have specialized in the lifted Rav. So with your LP Adventure kit, you're gonna get yourself an extra 3 inches of clearance. And next up, I'd like to point out the LED high beams in the Rav4. This vehicle sports an automatic high beam feature, which will allow you to have that much more of a safe drive every single night that you hit the road. 2020 Rav4 is available to you in a few different trim levels. And one amazing thing that I didn't know, they're all fuel efficient, but you can get up to 94 mpge on the all-new Rav4 Prime. One of the other amazing things that I didn't know about the 2020 Rav4 is how many awesome features are packed into this screen. Across all trim levels, we have available Bluetooth compatibility, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You also have the option for embedded navigation and Sirius XM radio. One of my favorite things about the 2020 Rav4 is the sound system. Depending on which trim level you go with, we offer a JBL 800-watt 11-speaker sound system with tweeters and subwoofers to boot. Thank you for watching this video on the 5 things I didn't know about the 2020 Rav4. Melissa Davis, Kootenay Truck Girl with Alpine Toyota. See you next time.